nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Blay pi Baroh kini gilong ki khubor bamda kasngi. U President ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Maury negasining kong ulapan pau ba u ben hakinong yalam ki bahakli du jeng kaseng BJP ban shim ya karai la ondang beteng ne em ban shakri kum u President ke BJP hajilla Meghalaya. Ngala pendep ha ka bantrei mentalai snem Henry bangan beteng ne ban sange bantrei kum u President de ban rai de kinong yalam ki bahakli jeng kaseng. Ong uba Maury haba jibab ya ka jingkran u MLA ka BJP ba AL heng ba gadon ka jingtmu banweng no ya uba Maury kum u President ka BJP ka jilla. Uba Maury ula pente ba menteri uba khmi yagatnat yadari u Rajnath Singh ula penmna ha ka jingyalang jongka National Executive Committee ha Delhi ha ka khatlai trik ukal lalingkon arhajar arpulai. Ba ka samoi trikam jing u National President JP Nanda Lapenjlan hado ka arpsau terik ujeliu arhajar arpsau. Kadba kinong yalam ki bakli do kimpat pinbnaya ka tarik ban pelong ya ka election jeng u National President ngimpat la ban pelong ya ka election. Uba heng ula bakla palan hakaban ay ya ka ka jingpren ong uba Maury. Ladapi kan mau uba AL heng ula long u President ka BJP Meghalaya nadu usnem arhajar lai hado arhajar hendriu kumta ka samoy trikam jung President kalong laisnem barkam de satya arsnem kumbala ong uba heng ong uba Maury. Haba kali la unshim ka jingkat kli halor ka jingbom la ka BJP ban ne bha ha ka MLA election ka bala den. Uba Maury ula ong ngila le bha bat yakhun ha Baroh nruphautli ki constituency bat ka jingyo vote ka sengru kalakiu. Baroh ki kertong kila trei shitam banjab hendai ka election ka day ka election. Ulo ong ba ka seng kalala banjab tang haki artali ki constituency ka day namar ba kipat ba ka jilla kila jiet iki weipat ki seng san perthei. Ngihap ban trei shitam shu ha Meghalaya hendai kipat ba kin sababi ba kim shamla jiet ya ka BJP namar pen ya ki kampen roy ki bajia hapo ka jilla Assam ula ong. Uba Maury ula kentat ban kubur bakala don kejing yapat yapra hapo keseng BJP bat ula ong Baroh kidon yala kejing angnut ban ngin omla ban khang ya kata. Ula ong ba keseng kan sabetha yu MLA kapenthor umkhra ba omdei ban kren persha e keseng hakilat pathai kubur. Hai kini ki kendiat sngi keseng kan saai ya kejing betha ba on omla ban net shakilat pathai kubur ban kren persha e keseng. Kum menteri sarkar uday ban kran shaphang katnat ka ba ukhmi bat ki eki kampen roy ki ba onwan ra lingba katnat na ka benta ka jilla. Kat ba na ka benta ka seng ka di ka seng hi ka ban shim ya karai ong uba Maury. Uba Maury ulo ong ba ka seng kadang ap ya ka jingtha jeng kinong ya lam ba hakli du jeng ka seng la ondan kam ban ai show cause notice ya menteri sarkar.
Elect our MLA and minister today. It is his personal statement. The term of the president of the BJP, it is 3 years, not 2 years. So, my term is already over. And in the month of January, 13 January 2023 this year, we have the Central Executive Committee, National Executive Committee held in Delhi, where the Honorable Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has announced for extension the term of the National President GP Nadaji till 24 June 2024, mean after the election. Unless the center announced the election of the national president, we cannot hold election. So I think he's very wrong in that statement. And I think you all remember Bahek has been the president of the party in the year 2003 till 2006. 3 years gap. So it's not 2 years. I want to correct that. No. No information to us till today. Whether the TMC MLA, they will join us, we are not aware. Maybe they discuss with him. He has already given the statement in the press. a cup of tea and discuss with them. So from the party side, we cannot give any statement unless they approach us. There is no big division in a party. Everybody, they have their own inspiration, so we cannot stop that. You see, we cannot stop that. And from the party, I think within a few days, they will give the direction. You cannot go to the press openly against the party. Being a minister, he has to talk about his own department, what development he will bring for the state or his department. For the party will take decision.
So are you going to issue a show cause notice for this action?
We are waiting for the thing from Delhi. We'll see.
Including TMC.
We are welcome. Anybody can join BJP from any party. But there should be a communication from the state and the center. I cannot give statement that I will continue or discontinue. That decision will take by the central leader. As I have already informed you that even the term of the national president has been extended from 13 January 2023 to 24 June 2024.